Hey guys, today I'm going to make some brats and tater tots. So let's get toasting. I've never tried cooking these together before, but I think they should cook in about the same amount of time. So I'm using this 10-inch cast iron skillet for this, but I think you could probably use your toaster oven tray as well. So just get a little pile of tater tots on this side here. That looks pretty good. And then we'll just take some of these Johnsonville brats here, put a couple of those on the other side, and hopefully they'll cook in about the same amount of time. We'll see how it goes here. I set my oven to bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll see how this goes here. These have been in there about 20 minutes, so I'm going to check on them here. Well, they look nice and brown. I think everything looks pretty good. I'm going to get it out of there. I'll let this cool off just a little bit. Let's see how it looks here. Tots look like they're probably done. Let me try one here. Oh yeah, that's good. Sausage is nicely browned on the bottom. That looks real good. Let's cut into one here. See how it looks. Oh yeah, looks really good. That worked out pretty good. Brats and Tots. Thanks for watching, you guys. Talk to you next time. Hey Annie, you showed up. You want a tot?